Assalamu alaikum dears, myself Silke. What are these three types reading in land survey? The backside, interside, and of course pore side. These things are known shortly by BS, IS, and APS. BS represent backside, IS represent intersides, and APS is of course pore side. To understand these three types reading better, let us consider for a moment if a man is just sitting in leveling machine and one man is just holding a reading stop at benchmark. Remember, benchmark is a point with known elevation. When you set the instrument, we always take the bus reading at the benchmark. This bus reading is of course known by backside. So the bus reading after setting the instrument is called backside. This can be taken at known point, which means BM or pore side. Pore side is of course also a known point. After this backside, we take intersides in our ranging area. The number of intersides may depend our ranging area. This can be up to 1000 or 0. Here by 1000 I mean it can be more and more. So all readings between backside and pore side are known by intersides. Then what is pore side? Pore side is just last reading after setting the instrument. But how can I understand this? Let me just consider if I need intersides so far from instrument, which means it is just out of range. The stop readings are not quite visible to the surveyor, or when there is an obstacle in sight line. In this type situation, we just cite an extra reading, and we call this guy as pore side because this is just the last reading update point. So this is known by pore side because this is just the last reading of the last instrument station. After this, we shift the instrument to another point and take backside at pore side. Remember from the definition, backside can be taken at pore side because pore side this time is just a known point. Then we take interside at that point which was our approach. And so on, we can take any interside at any point. Lastly, when you are done, then of course you can take pore side at fixed point or at known point per future survey. So this is pore side, which is of course the last reading of this station. So here in this section, we learnt that the first reading after setting the instrument will be known as the backside, which is of course taken at known point like BM or pore side. And pore side is of course just the last reading after setting the instrument. Lastly, all readings between backside and pore side are known by intersides. And this is it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time and wassalam.